Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make my creamy sausage rigatoni. Start with one small onion and chop it up finely. It can be a sweet onion or a yellow onion. And start sauteing that in olive oil. You want to give it about 5 minutes until it's translucent. And then we're going to add 1 pound of ground Italian sausage. I prefer sweet sausage. You can also use mild. Whatever type of sausage you like in your pasta really is all you need to add. Go ahead and brown that up. Then I add 3 cloves of garlic. This can be fresh or roasted, minced, or put through a press. And about 1/4 cup of chopped spinach and 1/4 cup of Saute this on low heat for a few extra minutes to get everything heated up and well blended. And while you have this going on low, you can go ahead and start your pan of water for your pasta. Start boiling your water with a little salt and olive oil in it. And I usually like to do rigatoni for this dish, but you can really do any type of pasta that you like. It's also really good over fettuccine noodles. And back to the sausage, add 1½ cups of heavy cream plus 1 cup of milk and stir everything together. Then grate about 2 cups worth of Parmesan cheese. Fresh is best, but if you have it pre-shredded, that works too. We're going to sprinkle about half of that cheese right into the milk and stir it right in. Keep your heat on low during this time. And as soon as the cheese starts to melt and really blend through, you can turn your heat right off and leave it to sit while you wait for your pasta to finish boiling. The cream sauce shouldn't be too thick at this point. It's going to thicken further after we put it into the oven. So you want it to be a little on the thin side. You can add more cream or milk if you desire. We're going to sprinkle in about 2 teaspoons worth of basil. Stir that in and just incorporate everything very well. Once your pasta is finished boiling, go ahead and drain it, and then you're going to put it into a large baking dish. Then add your sausage and cream sauce over the top and blend it very well together. And then I like to add about another 1/2 cup of the heavy cream all over the top of the pasta. Sprinkle the rest of your cheese all over the top. And at this point, you can add as much cheese as you prefer. You can blend your cheese, add a little mozzarella if you like. Whatever type of cheese you like on the top of your pasta, that's what you're going for. Make your dish your own. I pop this into the oven at about 385 degrees and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. I like to pull this dish out of the oven before the cheese gets too brown because I don't want the cream sauce to set into the noodles too much and end up having it dry. So this is how it looks when it's done. Enjoy. My family loves this dish. Have a wonderful day. Thistle and Rose Farm.